Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Selling. Today I'm coming up to you with the makeup tutorial. It's been a minute guys since I sat down here and talked to you. I missed you guys anyways. So before we jump into the makeup tutorial, I'm just going to be letting you guys know something that you haven't known. So yeah, it's basically not something that I was hiding. I was just waiting for the proper and the perfect moment to let you guys know. I decided just to sit down because you guys means the word to me. So yeah, I have a second YouTube channel. Yes, I have a second YouTube channel. It's all about selling lifestyle TV, me, my lifestyle when I'm not doing a makeup tutorial. It's a vlog channel basically, okay, and also we are going to be talking a lot there, discussing, doing a lot. It's going to be a random channel. I just decide to create a second channel. I want this one to be a beauty and fashion channel. I don't want to be too random. I did quite some random video years back, but I just decided to create a second channel. I just want this channel to be all about beauty, and maybe when you don't want to watch a makeup tutorial, you can always come to switch off to my next channel and watch what you want to watch. It's not everybody is interested in makeup. You might be interested in something else. That is why I decided to create a channel, second channel, so you guys can also come over there and we roll together as one big family. So with that being said, the name is Selling Lifestyle TV. Okay, please go ahead, subscribe, show me some love. If you have anything in mind you want us to discuss about, please just leave me a comment. You can DM me, inbox me. Just feel free. Let's be one family. Let's roll together like I always say. So happy I come to a conclusion that this year is going to be the second channel opening. So I thank God and I hope God is going to give me the strength and the wisdom to push the two channel without any distraction from anybody. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I decided just to sit down and tell you guys I'm happy. I'm really happy. I'm just feeling very happy about it because I really want to show you guys more, you know. So yeah, there's something sometimes I want to do. I just want to film it and I don't want to put it on this channel. It's just so annoying sometimes. So we made it. We have another second YouTube channel. Go ahead, go subscribe. The name is going to right here and also down below. Check it out. Click the link, subscribe, share this video, share my video please. It means a lot when you share my video. It shows me that you guys want to see me here. Okay, that being said, on this makeup tutorial I used two new products, in which they are from Catrice. One is a highlighter palette and the other one is eyeshadow palette. Very beautiful, workable, and no struggle, no hard feelings. So yeah, and the rest products are my old products. You guys have seen me maybe sometimes use it, but highlighter and eyeshadow, like I said, they are new. So yeah, that's pretty much it. There's not so much big deal about this look. It wasn't difficult at all. I think I only used 3 eyeshadow to create this look. Two color on my crease and one on my lid, and a bit of shimmer on my lid. So with that being said, just to keep it low, I don't want too much going on, and as you can tell, it's super matte. I decided to keep it matte. So yeah, without any further ado, if you're interested in want to see how I achieve this look, I said just keep watching. No long talking, stay blessed and take a chat. So guys, today I'm going to be switching up. I'm going to do my face before and then later I'm going to do my eye look. I already moisturized my skin before off camera. For my face, I'm going to be taking the Smashbox foundation primer. I'm just going to prime all over my face. To blend in the primer, I'm going to be taking this Bell foundation brush. To be setting my face, I'm using the Air Sponge loose powder. I mix it with the Sacha BUTTERCUP. I don't just know why the Sacha BUTTERCUP is a bit too yellow, but I keep going on and use it over again. I don't know why. I don't just know why. When I apply it's my favorite of powder brush. This one is by Kiko. It's very large, super large, so you can really contain a lot of space. So yeah, for foundation I'm going to be using the MAC Match Master foundation in number 8. To blend in the foundation I'm going to be using the e.l.f. foundation brush, I believe. Yeah, can't remember the last time I used this foundation. It has been a minute, guys.
We are the apocalypse, and a pill that keeps us floating. As we fly above the stars, the hype won't scare us falling.
I'm going to apply another one pump. I'm almost done. Like seriously, I don't need to get another one. And I'm planning to get this this Pro Long Wear foundation. I've not used it for quite some time, so I run out, so I didn't even bother to go buy another one. But I think my next shopping I'm going to be getting it again. The reason why I don't really touch this Match Master foundation, because it was there was a period that when I use it, it's been too oily. I don't know why, maybe because of the primer I was using, but I don't know. So I just fed up. I decided to keep it just for a while, you know. Taking my Technique sponge just to do the finish. So to set my face, I'm going to be using the MAC Mineralize Skin Finish in Dark Deep. And I'm taking the Kiko brush. Just dab, 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 dab.
If we are one grain of sand in the middle of the ocean, can you try to...
So to highlight my face, I'm going to be using this L'Oreal Mercier Flawless Concealer in number 5. So to contour my face, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Concealer. The problem I have with this Makeup Revolution Concealer, if you don't use it a week or 2 weeks, if you just buy it, it tends to dry fastly. I don't know why, it just get dry inside. Like this one now, this is the second one I'm getting, and it seems to be a bit dry. And the other one, I didn't even use it up to a couple of times. It was just dry, and I don't know why. There, guys, it's not fair. So to blend in my concealer, I'm going to be using this L'Oreal Virgin contour brush.
Trying to make sense of it all comprised. Highs, been in these skies. I was stuck there, feeling paralyzed, but I'm up now. We all too late to fall. Yeah, anyone coming up, I left them all. Never looked down.
In my concealer, I'm going to be using the Technique sponge.
Ain't got no feelings, we just floating. Yeah, I'm that grain of sand that made it out the ocean. A couple milli now, I'm causing a commotion. I've been coasting, hear my name around the world like an explosion.
So rise up.
For extra highlights, I'm going to be using this L.agirl concealer in the shade Nude.
We are the apocalypse, and a pill that keeps us floating.
Setting my face with a Espon Loose powder. Filling my brow, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Deep Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony. And I'm using this Sephora eyebrow. As you can tell, guys, this brow is more higher than this one, but it's okay. I'm going to leave it like that. I'm going to try maybe to do a little bit of work. If not, I'm going to leave it like that. Even though I'm going to make a mistake, I'm going to leave it like that so that I don't have, so I can make more mistakes. So I'm just going to take the powder and then take my spoolie, blend the front so it can look a bit realistic. So I'm still going to go ahead and use the Benefit Brow Scent. I'm just going to set it a little bit with this powder because it's a bit too dark. I want to bring it down a little bit so that it can look like espresso. To clean my brow, I'm going to be using the concealer, which is by L.agirl. Just a little bit like so. I'm almost done. I had to go get another one. Yes, it was too much, but anyways. I'm I'm going to be using the Retechnique sponge to blend the excess concealer on my brow bone.
They ain't never gonna stop us, fly at 'em like choppers, better took those risks, cool, but I'm on fit.
Oops, that was quite too much, girl. Too much pressure. There was too much pressure.
Rise.
Powder. No. Using my Retechnique sponge just to do a little bit of finish. So for transition color, I'm going to be taking this Toofaced Just Peach palette. I'm taking this shade right here, and I'm just going to blend that on my crease.
Highs, been in these skies, I'm stuck down, feeling paralyzed, but I'm up now, we all too late to fall. Yeah, anyone coming, I'ma lift them all. Never look down when this risk involved, I got guts, gotta learn.
Guys, as you can tell, I'm blending my crease a bit higher towards my brow bone area because I want my lid to be larger. So that is why I know my crease here, but I'm just creating another crease. So for the second shade, I'm taking this darker shade right here. So I'm taking the first shade, this one right here. I'm just going to use to blend the edges very softly with the same brush. In this Catrice palette right here, I'm taking this shade, this one right here. I'm taking this shade, I'm just going to apply that all over my eyelid.
They ain't never gonna stop us, fly at 'em like choppers, better took those risks.
And this eyeshadow is very pigmented. This is the first time I'm using it.
Reach those heights, always had a feeling that I won't deny that work. Never can toss, look at my eyes, I'm on the rise.
So I'm going in with my Too Faced palette. I'm taking that darker shade. I'm just going to use it to blend the edges very softly so that there's not going to be any harsh line. Maybe I should apply a bit of shimmer on top so that we can have a bit of life because everything is a bit too matte right now. But very gently, so we have a bit of shimmer on top. Yeah. So guys, I'm done with the eye look. I'm going to do my wing liner, apply my lashes. I'll be right back to finish the look on camera with you. Okay, don't go anywhere. So guys, I'm back. Eyelashes is popping. So what I basically did off camera, I used my Maybelline Eyestudio gel liner. I use it on my waterline, and then I apply this shade. I apply this red shade just to buff it out, and then I went on my lash band. I do a very tiny, I just did a very tiny, you barely know if I have a liner, so that it can cover the fake lashes I'm wearing, okay, false lashes, like that, so that the eyeshadow can pop from alone. And I went ahead and applied my lashes. So right now I'm just going to be blushing my cheeks for extra dimension, and I'm taking this one by Patrickstarrr. This one is called Take Me Home, yeah. And I'm going to be using this brush by Beige Cosmetics. So yeah, anytime I have a bold eye, not bold, when I have much color, I do love to use this blush because it's a very subtle blush. It doesn't have too much color on it. So yeah. So for highlights, I'm going to be trying new highlights today. This one is by Catrice. This how it looks like. It has a blush. This blush is a bit shimmer, and this is the highlight. So I'm going to be taking this champagne, very light champagne color. Highlights, I'm going to be using this brush right here, but before that I have to spray my brush before. So yeah, very gently. Yes. So I have to spray my brush. The only problem I have is that you just have to apply more layers, and which I don't really like, so I just have to spray my brush with fixed blush so that the pigment can really pop out well. To line my lips, I'm going to be using this Givenchy lip liner in the shade number 6. So for lipstick, I'm going to be using this MAC matte lipstick, and this one is called D for Danga. So danga. I really like this lipstick a lot. It really matched the whole look, and yeah, I was looking for this to match look. So guys, I'm going to be spraying my face. Spray my face with Fix Plus so that I can get rid of this powderness, matteness, so we can bring more dew to our face.